Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Michael from the Recoverit team, and as usual back with more practical data solutions. Today's video is going to be slightly different, but as usual, if you're looking for how to easily recover your data, make sure to become a subscriber, and if you already are, pretty sure you're going to want to hear what's coming next. In our previous video, we introduced our latest special campaign and the dedicated website to help you, our dear viewers and followers, to get the best data recovery solutions during the COVID-19 pandemic. And in this video, we're going to discuss the two approaches for data recovery in details and make a comparison so that you can make the right choice. Usually, there are two different paths we can go in order to recover our data. We can get in touch with a data recovery center, meaning physically get in touch with other people and get our data restored, hopefully. Or we can go our own path using a professional grade software where we can take advantage of the experience of the people who have been developing the code of this. So in this video, we would like to compare the 6 major topics about data recovery using those two different approaches. Okay, starting with the type of devices that both services are supporting, basically it doesn't matter whether we talk about a smartphone, a flash drive, a laptop or your home computer. Both a software solution and the physical recovery center solution would work all right. You can visit the local recovery service provider or use our professional data recovery tool in order to restore deleted data from a wide range of devices. That includes smartphones, Macs, Windows PC, flash drives, SD cards, and so on. Both recovery software and local recovery service can help you in different scenarios, be it a logical drive crash or an unintentional deletion of data. However, a local recovery service will be a better option if your device has experienced a physical damage as well. Coming to the third factor, it's probably the most decisive one because that's the cost. And using a data recovery software is definitely going to be significantly more affordable than going into a professional grade service. Typically, the pricing varies from vendor to vendor, but as compared to visiting a local recovery service provider, buying a data recovery tool is far cheaper as compared to the cost of recovery service. For example, in the United States, it might range from $100 to $300 for hourly basis. On the other hand, by using a professional recovery software, you're going to be spending about $40 to $100 for a one-time payment. This is another very important reason to decide in favor of a software solution, because it can recover your files, if not in seconds, then probably in minutes in the worst case scenario if that's a huge device with slow performance, maybe in hours. Whereas if we talk about a professional grade solution, yes, you might be charged for a few hours, but could be that you have to wait in a queue of many other devices before you, and that can take days. Considering the current scenario, apparently us living surrounded by COVID-19, the obvious recommendations from the World Health Organizations and most doctors and medical specialists is to stay at home and possibly avoid or reduce the contacts with other people. Therefore, choosing a software and using it yourself at home is apparently much safer rather than going outside, meeting other people, or potentially being in touch with people in a hard drive repair shop. To get your data recovered from a local service, you're gonna be required to do tons of preparations. For instance, wearing a safety mask, sanitizing your car for safe transportation, carrying a hand sanitizer bottle, so on and so forth. However, with the data recovery software, all you need is a laptop or computer, the recovery software itself, and that's it. You're going to be able to recover the entire data while sipping a cup of coffee. As far as recovery data concerned, you can check Wondershare Recoverit, as it is pretty convenient and user-friendly tool that is going to help you to recover your data instantly. Furthermore, we have launched a webpage which is dedicated to the current COVID-19 situation and is covering most of the frequently asked questions people might have in order to decide whether they need a local service, or you could give it a try with recovering your data through a professional grade data recovery software. As we can see, this page basically tells you everything that is needed in terms of information that you need to know about the difference between a recovery service or a tool. Apart from that, there are some benefits that this campaign is providing to you, all our users. You can find an impressive list of top recovery services, as well as recovery tools that can be of great assistance in such hard times of the COVID-19 when it comes to recovery of lost files. And as we talked about the costs earlier and concluded that using a recovery tool is much better and cheaper than going outside for a recovery service, Wondershare Recoverit is there to help you with 30% off coupon codes. When you see the second option of the page, you're going to notice that not only the price of Recoverit has gone down, but we're also offering this additional coupon code. Because all we want is to help you, we have also changed the way of how we can unlock the free tool. Here, you can simply just sign in with your ID and we're good to go with the free tool. Isn't that great news for all of us? One of the other benefits of this campaign is that we're going to be providing $500 worth of benefits to 5 of our users who decide to share the following hashtag on their Facebook timeline: Save with Recoverit. So make sure to share this hashtag on your Facebook timeline, Save with Recoverit, and besides being home, safe and sound recovering your data, you can be one of the lucky winners of getting this monetary benefit. Now that we see that there are that many advantages of going for professional grade software over a local service where you can be exposed to viruses, especially during the pandemic times, I think it's time to find out how exactly data recovery works with our software. Let's get started. If you decide to choose Wondershare Recoverit for data recovery, you will have to follow a dedicated step-by-step procedure to do the job. It's very quick and simple to follow. First part, of course, download, install and launch Recoverit on your system, and in the main window you can find the selection for the location from where the data is going to be restored. Tap the Start button and the software will start scanning the selected location for all the deleted files. Doesn't matter if we talk about documents, about Excel spreadsheets, movies, photos or any kind of other files. Based on the size of the drive, the scanning process can take a while to complete. Once the process is done, the software will display all the deleted files that can be recovered. Go through these files and select the ones that you want to recover. You can also use the Preview button in order to check the preview of a file before recovering it. Now, all you have to do is to tap this Recover button and select the destination folder, and the files will be recovered to the selected location. Well, that's how you can recover data using Wondershare Data Recovery using the comfort of sitting in the sofa at your house. Whether you've accidentally deleted some files, or your hard drive has crashed, or maybe your camera stopped working at the worst possible timing, still is a good chance that we are able to recover your lost data, and this is where Recoverit comes to help. I'm reminding you that 5 of you are going to win $100 each, which means that you won't have to pay a penny for using Recoverit in order to recover some files. All you have to do, Save with Recoverit. That should appear on your Facebook timeline. And 5 of you are going to win. Actually, everybody wins because now we have better pricing, a coupon code and a specially dedicated COVID-19 website. That's been everything for this episode. Stay safe, stay healthy. If you enjoyed what we do here, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more practical data solutions. I'm Michael from the Recoverit team and looking forward to see you soon. Bye!